How to explain a delay in the marketing report to your boss in English. Easy guide for non-native speakers. I understand there has been a delay in completing the marketing report, and I'd like to explain the situation. The main reason for the delay is unexpected technical problems with the software we use to generate the report. This issue was unforeseen, and it affected our ability to complete the data analysis on time. Once the problem was identified, we worked closely with the IT department to fix the software issues and tried to find an alternative solution in case the problem persisted. We have been focused on resolving it as quickly as possible. Currently, the software is up and running, and we are finalizing the report. We expect to have it ready for review by tomorrow afternoon. To prevent this from happening again in the future, we plan to improve communication with the IT team and schedule regular checks on the software before important deadlines. I sincerely apologize for the inconvenience caused by this delay, and I'm committed to ensuring that we stay on track moving forward. We expect to complete everything by the end of the day tomorrow.